I don't think I've been this excited about the plugin in a while, but this plugin blew my mind, especially when I was researching about it and also testing it. This plugin is VRAC by Beatsurfing, and what this plugin can do is that it turns anything you drag into it into a drum kit. So you get a hi-hat, a kick, a clap and a snare. So I'm not going to waste time talking about the interface and the control. I'm going to show you as I use the plugin and show you what the plugin can do. All you have to do is load up a one shot or drag and drop into this place, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this soft snare that sounds like this. So you just drag and drop it into this place, and you can select where you want it to start, and it turns it into a drum kit. This is what it sounds like. While I was testing this plugin, I added a lot of things to it to see what the plugin can actually do. But before I show you that, let's talk about some of the controls. The first one we're going to be talking about is the Drumify, and the Drumify controls how much change happens to the source material. So when you have it at 0%, nothing really happens to the sample. They all sound the same, and once you have it at something like 50%, you hear the original source material and also the drumified beat. So it's like a mixed knob in a sense. Apart from that, you get the fine tune, you get volume, you get transpose, which is really self-explanatory, and you get the length. So you can have something as choppy as this, or you can have something as long as this. Now every control you see here is for the general sample, is for everything all together. But once you select something like the kick, you can have a separate control for it. So you can use these controls here to create your own type of percussion by adjusting some of the settings. You can get something that really sounds good. Another really interesting thing about this plugin is that you're not limited to using everything that is created here inside the plugin. You can just drag them and drop them into your project, as you can see. And if you're using FL Studio, you can just drag this and drop it into this channel rack and then use it as a one shot. You can add your notes and do whatever you want to do. This is what it sounds like. You also get user presets. So if you don't have any sample, you just want to use the plugins presets, you can just select anyone you want and you can load it up. If you never want to pay full price for a plugin again, you should check out some of these deals on Plugin Boutique. For example, you can get the Luna Pro MK2 DAW by Universal Audio for 60% off. You can just get it for $79. You can get the Plugin Boutique Summer Bundle for 94% off, just $39. And you can get this instrument bundle by Korg, the Korg Collection 6 for just 50% off. You can get it for $199. You can get the Total V1 Max 2 for 94% off. You can get it for $80, and you can get the Excite Audio Bundle for 63% off at just $269. And there are so many other deals that you can check out. You can check out the UAD half yearly sale. They're giving up to 87% off. If you want to check out any of these deals, there's a link in the description, and make sure to follow Musicians on a Budget because I let you know anytime there's a deal like this going on. Alright, now we're going to add a lot of things to it to see what it can actually do. So I have a drum pattern already going on. This is what it sounds like. I tried to include everything. So let's add another snare. So I'm just going to be adding things randomly to see what it can do. It sounds really good because everything is closely related. So let's add an 808. This is so cool. I hope you got value from this video. Are you going to be checking out this plugin? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want to check it out, there's a link in the description. And make sure to follow musicians on my project, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.